Hello everyone, welcome back to another web development tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an important element of HTML, which is images. Okay, in the last lecture, we have discussed about list items and the categories of list items and container tags. In today's video, we are going to discuss about image. Okay, or how to add image in HTML. So there are at first let us create a file here, name index4.html. Okay, we hit enter. Now we have got here our file. Now let us bring on the boilerplate. Okay, so let us give a heading here, h2, which is jogging image. Okay, so for adding image we have a specific tag which is image tag. If you write im, you will see the emmet abbreviation which is of image, img. If you click here, you can see here the tag has been added, but this tag doesn't have any closing tag. Okay, this tag does not have any closing tag. So here there are two elements or two attributes inside our image tag. Okay, one is the source tag and the other is the alter tag. Okay, so in these two attributes, this is src, which is the short form of source. In the source attribute, we have to give the path of the image we want to view, otherwise you can't find any image. Okay, if I go to open the live server and see, just try to see, you can see the heading jogging image. Okay, so at first you have to add the path of the image which you want to view. Okay, so there are many ways to add an image. Okay, so at first let me show you how to add an image link. Okay, suppose I am just going to a website named Pizza Bay. Here you can find many free images which you can just take and use. Okay, so let us find some jogging image here. Let us try to search it and find here. Okay, you can see we have got so many jogging images here. Okay, for example, let us take this image. Okay, now if you right click the image, you can see here an option which is copy image address. Okay, so I am clicking copy image address. Now I will come to our code editor and paste the image address here, and let us save it. Okay, so now if I go to my live server and see, you can see the image which we have copied from here is been in our website, is been added in our website. Okay, now let us take another image and do it in the same way. Let us take this image here. What we have to do, right click your mouse and see here, you can find an image address where this image is stored. So we are copying that image address and pasting it inside our image tag in the source attributes value. So we have added another image here. So now you can see our second image also have been added. So this is one way how you can add images to your website. There was another attribute which is alt. So this stands for alternative attribute. Okay, suppose there is not any image here, or due to any reason the image cannot be displayed. then the user must see something, right? Suppose I am giving here a man running around, okay, and I have saved it. Now let me go to my folder. Here you can see here the image is not there, but there is a text which is a man running around. That means due to any reason, if the image cannot be loaded or cannot find, then the alternating text is added through this alt attribute. So this is one way how you can add an image to a website. So there is another way how you can add an image. Let us see that way. I am deleting this image here and taking a new image tag. Another image is from the folder or the file directly. Okay, so in this file, in the same file I have taken an image, or I have downloaded the image in this specific folder, inside which I have these files, index.html, index2.html, all these files. In the same folder I have downloaded or I have kept an image, and the image is woman-8183, this image. Okay, so if I want to load this image, what we should do is just come here in source and write woman. I have written WO, and it has been suggesting me that in this folder you have this image which you can use. Okay, so I am clicking on this and I am saving it, and let us try to view it in our live server. And here you can see the image which we have kept in our folder has been loaded here or has been added here. Okay, this is another method where you can download the image from any website or your image and store it inside a file where you are keeping your HTML CSS files and load it in this way. Okay, so there is another way also. Okay, there is another way, which is we can take images from folder also. Okay, so let us create a folder here. Okay, I am creating a folder here of images, img. Now let me take some image and save it inside that folder. Okay, let me take this image. Okay, now let us download this. Okay, this has been downloaded. I am just copying it to the folder we have just created here. Okay, we have created this image folder, right? So inside this image folder I am pasting this image. Okay, so the location is in the image folder. So to access the folder, what you should do is, I am taking another image tag. Now in the source you should write the folder name. Okay, so if you just do /, you can see it has been suggesting that image folder here. So I am taking this image folder, and inside the image folder, what we have we want this landscape image. Okay, and I am saving it. Now let us try to view in the document. Okay, you can see here our image has been added. So this is how you add images. The first way we have learned, that is you can take images we can copy the image address and paste the image address link in the source attribute value section. You can save any image in your current folder and you can access from that, or you can access image from any other folder you want to. So that's the basic things you have to know about image in HTML. We will be talking about more HTML topics in our future lecture videos. Thank you for watching.